welcome to Eunice at Home. I'm Eunice, and today I'll be sharing how I clean our IKEA deck Runnen tiles, the balcony windows, and our outdoor rug. I'm currently preparing for some balcony updates which I'll be sharing next week, and to be very honest, this space has been long overdue for a deep clean. Since sharing our balcony makeover about 2 years ago, I've received so many questions about how I clean the IKEA Runnen tiles. It is so easy, which is what makes these tiles so great. They're made of this like very durable plastic material, so all you really have to do is just wipe it down with some cleaning solution. I used to do it by hand, but it was just such a hassle that I found myself only cleaning the tiles when I would deep clean our balcony, which is maybe once or twice a year. So I recently decided to invest in a mop to make my life easier. It is this one right here, and it comes with the tub. These are from Amazon. You basically just fill in this tub with some hot water and cleaning solution. This is a little ringing station, and you just step on this thing right here to activate it, and as you can see, it's spinning. You don't need any fancy cleaning solution. I just like to use water, distilled vinegar, and some dish soap. And that's pretty much what I use to clean a lot of different areas of our home, like the bathtub, our kitchen, stovetop. The mop is extendable and it comes with a detachable mop head. So you can really use this to clean different areas of your home and just have a dedicated mop head for those areas. This has been a game changer, and honestly, it is so fun to use. I get so satisfied just stepping on the ringer and seeing how much dirt the mop picks up. Cleaning windows is so straightforward, but I still wanted to include it in this video because I feel like, at least from my experience, the windows can be easily ignored. So I just used these two guys. This is just your standard squeegee. You can pretty much find them anywhere. I got both of these as a pack from Amazon, which I will link for you below. And this comes with a washable pad. Right now it's also soaking with the mop head and OxiClean. I don't know about you guys, but I love cleaning the car windows at the gas station with these things. And so that's why I got it for our windows, because I felt that maybe if I make it fun and more accessible, I will clean the windows more frequently. You can use your favorite window cleaner. I'll list some below for you, but I just used that same cleaning solution, water, vinegar, and dish soap, because I already had it outside for cleaning and it works great. I've also gotten a lot of questions about how I clean our outdoor rug, and it is very simple. I've got this amber glass spray bottle that I use to store some cleaning solution, the same stuff that I have mentioned a million times in this video, and then I'll use that to spray down the entire rug. I love this bottle because it sprays so well. It's what I use to clean our bathroom and kitchen. Then I'll go in with my hand scrubber, and I usually have a bucket of water and cleaning solution mixed together next to me. The vinegar will just help fight off any bacteria, and then the dish soap will help lather it up really well so that it can lift up the dirt. At the end, I hang our rug over the bench so that both sides can fully dry before I put it back on the floor. If you made it this far, let me know below if you enjoy cleaning. I'm so excited for all the updates that I have coming. Over the last year, I've just realized that we do not use our balcony at all, and I want to change that up. I really want to make this space more accessible and also have it be more hostable. Stay tuned, and if you aren't already, make sure to subscribe if you are curious for those updates. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to see more home decor and DIY videos from me. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one.